How can you zip up a folder but exclude the .git subfolder? Hello guys and welcome back to DelveStack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zip up a folder but exclude the git subfolder. So let's get started. You can create a zip of a folder while excluding the git subfolder using the zip command with the X option to ignore specific paths. First of all, you're going to navigate to the parent directory of the folder you want to zip. You're going to type in cd and then you're going to type in the path to the parent folder. Next, you're going to use zip with R and X. So the R option is recursive, it includes all files. The X option exclude patterns. For example, you're going to type in zip flag of R myfolder.zip myfolder X, and then you're going to type in steric.git in commas. So myfolder.zip is the name of the zip file you are creating. Myfolder is the folder you want to zip. Git exclude all git files and folders. Once done, you can type in unzip flag of L myfolder.zip. So this lists the contents. You should see your folder contents without git. And that is basically how you can zip up a folder but exclude the git subfolder. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.